A lot of times when I hear stories like this, I pause because someone will tell me that they've been managing a pain for good 5 to 10 years without going to the hospital for assessment. And I'm thinking, how? Because at some point, the body is clearly speaking to you that there is something definitely going wrong. Pain is a signal. It's not something that you manage forever. Now, let me be clear. Conditions like stroke, arthritis, spondylosis, chronic back pain, Erb's palsy, cerebral palsy. There are a lot of them, but just to mention a few, they cannot wait. They have to be managed immediately because the more the delay in treatment, the more the condition worsens and the lesser the chances of even getting better. So when they get worse and you come to the clinic, the chance of you getting better reduces, it becomes slim. And the healthcare professionals that we have begin to worry because at this point, when it has taken so long before you address the issue and complications are already beginning to set in, what is left for us is management. There's nothing more we can do again, which is why I decided to inform us as quickly as possible so that we are aware of this, that once you see something that is out of the ordinary in your body, including pain, please do not manage it. Instead, take yourself to the nearest hospital as fast as possible. When you have been diagnosed and they refer you for physiotherapy, if you are having difficulties in going to the hospital every once in a while, because for physio they might tell you should be coming once, twice weekly, or maybe once in a week, and you cannot do that maybe because of the kind of job that you are doing. At Kenesha Fit Ventures, we are into physiotherapy home services for you, online consultations if you don't want us to come into your space. But if you know that you're having difficulty going to the hospital, we can come into your space as physiotherapy home service. Okay, online consultation, health education. Yes, payment confirmed and secures your session booking. So once you contact us on our phone numbers here and you say you want us to come to your space for physiotherapy home services, once you made your payment, you secured your session with us, we come to your space and we treat you. If it is that you're having difficulties with that, there is also online consultation. Likewise, your payment secures your session booking. So once you make your payment, we have a session with you and we follow it with your treatment. Let me be sincere with you. Healthcare professionals are not magicians. If there is already difficulties in helping you to return back to your normal function because of the complications that are set in, what is left for us is management. And sometimes, if it is possible, surgery might even help. Okay, for conditions like chronic arthritis, where we now do hip replacement, knee replacement, wherever the arthritis must have affected. So let me say this plainly. Don't normalize long-term pain. Don't normalize long-term pain, please. Don't ignore whatever it is your body is trying to tell you, and don't wait for it to become complicated before you act upon it. Thank you so much for taking the patience to learn this today. Please feel free to share with others so that they are well out informed about these things that you do not manage pain, you go to the hospital immediately. Have a great time.